I'm that lazy. Good morning, as you can tell. Yep, it is a Sunday. My friend texted me last minute, and now we're gonna go work out. As you can tell, look like a freaking dragon. It's probably like 10-15 minutes. I already been charging my camera. But oh my gosh, I ate so much food yesterday, and I feel so freaking good. I just feel so full. Yeah. Catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, just got ready. Now we are heading to Crunch Fitness. I haven't been to Crunch in a minute. But we're about to hit the OG guy in the first video, Quinn. I'm gonna work out a few times. What a great guy. About to head over, about to hit a workout, and yeah, let's do this. Cheers, baby! Calm music before the gym. Take some deep breaths, baby. Realize that you're okay. You know? Not everything's about all this crazy hype music! Ah! You know? Something that I've realized for myself. It's okay to take a chill pill. It's okay to like calm down for a second and think. Oh, cardio. Yes, sir, baby. What are we gonna be hitting today?
Chest and try.
Chest and try, baby. Let's go.
My life I've barely spoken. Your words have been so broken. I've been under your hypnosis. Why did I sip that potion? I'm so done with holy ghosting. My birth, it is an omen. Lay me down up in the ocean until you see no motion. Right now I can barely focus. I'm showing no emotion. On your knees, show your devotion. My skin is black but golden. I'm not here for bragging, boasting. Ain't lying, I've been chosen. Mind is burning, heart's exploding. This is my magnum opus. Are you with me now? Said, are you with me now? Ain't felt this good in a while. They want us to simmer down. Can you hear me now? Am I going in and out? I stop and just look around to see if you're with me now. Tell me, are you with me now? Ready to put it down. Start at the bottom, already forgotten.
I might have a hard time getting this up, but we're gonna do it anyway.
That's light.
Step in the fire, get ready to take it higher. Real nigga coming out your amplifier. Y'all want every black man to be rich and pride. Why these weapons fuck up and turn into shy, huh? Cell phone became your brother. Internet replaced your mother. You leaving homies on red. It's no wonder all your friends dead. Jealousy was a centerpiece, so my best friends turned to enemies. Sabotage my identity. Why they wanna treat me like a Kennedy? They wanna affect the legacy. Protect the heart, I cut off the extremities. I'll never be another piece in your recipe for social supremacy. Are you with me now? Said, are you with me now? Ain't felt this good in a while. They want us to simmer down.
So I like how this, because it like kind of plants your back forward instead of like move. You kind of want to also, like how we bench, you want to put like a good platform with your feet. And then what you can do is I put it like by my palm and not by like my fingers, because then you're using like your forearms. And you kind of put your palms right here, kind of pushing it off more with your chest. And then I kind of keep like a good elbow width with my elbows. And you're not going back like this. You're not keeping it straight. You're kind of bending your elbows with it. And then pushing off with your chest, but you're kind of squeezing your chest as you do it. I don't know if you can see, you can kind of see it like right here as well. When you push, it's gonna be kind of like the mid-upper of your chest. Good clip, bro, good clip.
Oh yeah.
Can you hear me now? Am I going in and out? I stop and just look around.
It's a song, bro.
To see if you're with me now.
Yeah,
Tell me, are you with me now? Ready to put it down. Start at the bottom, already forgot them, but they won't forgive me now. You really ain't ready now. You haters just in the crowd, but till I
My bad.
Stop, bro, stop.
look around, are you with me now? Are you with me now? Are you with me now?
So we're doing a burnout of 20 each. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Stop smiling like that, bro. Stop. You got you smiling like that. Push.
Said, are you with me now? Ain't felt this good in a while. They want us to simmer down. Can you hear me now? Am I going in and out? I stop and just look around to see if you're with me now. Tell me how you with me now. Ready to put it down. Start at the bottom, already forgot them, but they won't forgive me now. You really ain't ready now. You haters just in the crowd, but still I just look around. Now you with me now? Are you with me now? Whoa. I feel it coming now. It's too late to shut up.
6 and 6. I go 6 and I go 6.
Bro, I get a partner that video takes me all the fucking time.
What's up?
I need to get me a partner that video takes me all the fucking time.
Go in it right now.
Go in this?
Go in it right now. Hit it. Do whatever you want. With a full rack on. Getting harassed at the gym.
No clickbait.
Oh! Shoot! Come on. Let's go.
Too light.
Too light? Oh yeah. Sheesh. Oh yeah. The tricep. Holy. I'm awesome, by the way.
Name's Johnny, man.
Nice to meet you, bro.
It's too light.
Yeah,
He's like too light, and it's like fully racked. He's.
I'm only doing heavy shrugs right now.
How much you shrugging? How much you
I
shrugging?
didn't even think I could do that much.
25.
425 for how many reps?
I can do it 5 times.
You're a natural vlogger. Look at that. Look at that. You just like, comment, subscribe.
I'm only gonna do 355 today though.
Only 50.
Yeah. It's a rough night.
That's intense. That's
So I get
insane.
these motherfuckers though.
Oh yeah, let's see it. Oh my
Natty or not?
gosh.
Natty or not?
Natty.
No.
100%.
100%.
100%.
Yeah, I know.
You've seen me since basically day one. They used to be 343 pounds. I
Really?
used to be way out here and everything.
Good job, bro. I respect
And then
that.
2 months, I was taking.
Really? Good job, bro. I respect that.
I'm trying to be as big as this guy one day.
I gotta be as big as you guys, you know? You're my inspiration.
Yeah, for sure.
Cut. No, I'm just kidding. I'm going home.
We're gonna Photoshop you moving that way.
yeah. Just put my face on it.
I feel it.
Bro, I'm just swallowing my gum. How the fuck?
Let's choke on it.
Yes, sir.
Coming now. It's too late to shut it down. Over the mountain now. Burning the valley down. I don't know where my mind is. Don't even know what time is. Somebody stop the virus. Room full of bodies, but nothing but silence. Yeah, I'm quiet, but all that shyness. Go crazy, turn this to an asylum. You fly, but we ain't looking for pilots. I never bow down to a tyrant, it's highness. Even Jack said, all them giants. We're
Is it still rolling?
Yeah.
Biggest tip that I've been thinking about recently is like just consistency. Consistency was like will be the biggest thing. I don't know. Do you agree?
Yeah, I agree.
I don't know. Just
Definitely.
be consistent. Show up every day. Even if you just go to the gym to show up, get your mind like used to showing up.
It's facts.
Consistency.
How you find when your time up? How you climb when your line stuck? Barbershop getting lined up. Yeah, yeah.
So, do you want to go to Chipotle later? You do?
Yes.
Do you want to go to Chipotle?
Yeah.
Yeah? You down?
Yeah.
Because last time you said no. And we're just kidding.
I've never turned down Chipotle.
I'm kind of down. The 4 extra meat. How many should I try to get? A goal. How many should I try to hit?
10.
10?
Good, but your mind super damn clear. Uber everywhere. This sound like Superman is here.
Oh man.
Yeah.
That was 7.
You with me now? Said, are you with me now? Ain't felt this good in a while. They want us to simmer down. Can you hear me now? Am I going in and out? I stop and just look around.
Hey, you! Hey! Where you at, boy? Dang, boy! Ready for some Chipotle?
Yeah.
Okay, we're at Chipotle right now, but I don't want to bring it in and be disrespectful, so we're gonna smack on some Chipotle real quick, and then I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright, guys. Just finished at Chipotle. It was pretty smacking, bro.
Oh yeah.
Thanks for working out with me today.
Of course.
Go do that laundry. Go make your mom proud.
Oh yeah. You make mama proud.
Peace. What is up, guys? It's been a few hours since we just got back from Chipotle. I'm all dolled up. Look, ready? Basically, I just gotta, I'm gonna go pick up my girlfriend. I have a girlfriend now, if you don't know. I'm very happy, very excited. She makes me happy. Yeah, I'm gonna go pick her up right now because she needs a ride. Probably gonna end this part of the portion of the day right now, and I'll probably pick it up back tomorrow. So far, I hope you guys are enjoying it. I'm learning a lot to do through this process. If you could just so far leave a like, comment, and share it, and subscribe it, and just do all that, that would help, because this is my passion, this is my goal, and without you guys, you know, this will be nothing. But if you can just help support each other, I would really appreciate that. That would mean the world to me. Gotta go catch the ride, and I'll probably catch you guys tomorrow when I gotta be up at 4:30 for work. Alright, guys. Alright, what is up, guys? It is actually 2 days ahead from when I originally said I was going to film. Picking it back up. I worked this morning, 6 to 2:30. It's currently like 3:15-ish. As you can tell, about to go hit a gym sesh. About to kill my arms. How many times am I going to say bro? Count. Actually count. Anyways, gonna go do that. And then I'm actually going to take you guys with me to HEB. My brother actually last night cooked a bunch of salmon, and I was like, ooh, bro, this is actually pretty good. So I'm gonna go back to HEB, get some salmon, grill that, cook it, put some seasoning, maybe some veggies on it or something. You know, maybe throw a couple little cool little clips of some sorts. And yeah, just take you along with the rest of my day. And at the end of the video, I kind of just want to have a talk with you guys, just so you guys can get to know me more on a personal level, because that's what some of you guys are just saying, just so you guys can connect with me. So yeah, let's get this, and I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Ooh. Alright, anyways, guys, I'm not going all the way back home just to pick up my camera so I can go to HEB. I'm here. As you can see, HEB, if you do not live in Texas, are probably like, what the heck? It's like a Costco and Walmart and Target, Vons, all in one. It's just like a big store for food. It's like the best. I love it. They have everything there. Anyways, so I am thinking of salmon. Because I want salmon, I want fish. Because it just sounds really good right now. Thinking of maybe like that. I've been loving mangoes recently, so I might snack up another mango. And then later tonight, I'm probably going to have some more protein granola with some yogurt. And let's just get into this, yeah? I will probably see you when I am cooking my food. Also, we did just hit an arm sesh. I am feeling pretty juicy right now. Got shrimpies right here. We got some noodles right there. 2 mangoes, or yeah, never mind. Alfredo. And I spent $13.87. Okay, here's the thing. I've cooked shrimp a few times, but I don't even know how to cook it. Like, I don't know how to cook it deliciously. So, all I know is I put it on the pan, I let it steam, but I know I need to let it defrost though for sure. So this is gonna be pretty easy. Probably take me like 30 minutes maybe or so. Yeah. put them in water and I'm gonna de-skin them. Always clean your area. If you put salt in water, it helps it boil faster.
But I don't know. It's love, dirty love. All I want are your eyes, all mine, and underneath of it all, I dream of our 6 shooters, hallelujahs, all able to say.
Time I'll be sweating in my windows.
Did I ever want love, or did I ask too much? Young dirty love, come get us drunk. Let's cover up what we really want. And all you see and all you feel are skin and bones. They don't hold your soul like we love. No, you can't control who you really are, what you really want. Oh, I met you in the hotel.
So there's probably gonna be people out there like, Austin, you don't know how to make spaghetti. Yes, shut. Yes, I do. I'll give you guys a taste test. So good, bro.
But did I ever want love?
Look, it has legs. I can't eat that.
Love, come get us drunk. Let's cover up what we really want. Oh, and did anyone know our love? It isn't what we thought it was. It isn't anyone know our love? It isn't what we thought it was. It isn't anyone know, oh Lord. It isn't anyone know our love. It isn't what we thought it was. When all we do is hurt ourselves.
Take everything that goes in there, like a mom, and I wanted to
I'm really excited for this because I'm so hungry. It's actually so good. Only problem is I cooked the shrimp like maybe a few minutes. Actually too long, but it's so good. No? This is so good. Why is my face so white? Anyways, guys, I hope you guys liked it. I'm going to be ending the video right here. If you can just leave a like, comment, share it, subscribe. I really appreciate that. By liking, it lets me know that you like the video actually, like genuinely. So I put a lot of time into this, and if you comment, it just kind of helps with tips or let me know what you guys liked or disliked about the video. And then if you guys subscribe, that just honestly helps, supports me, and then just growing the channel and just getting out there and known. Yeah, guys, I hope that we can be in this together and just always striving for greatness. And if you guys need anything, you guys are always more than welcome to ask. I'm gonna finish this up, and then I'm going to bring some over to my girlfriend's and just hang out for a second, and then I am going to edit this video. Alright, guys, hope you guys have a great night. Take it easy.